SR Sunrise 6 Settings Shower Head and Shower Arm Installation. We will be replacing this old failing shower head and shower arm. Click on the Amazon link in the description to purchase. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Start by removing old shower head. Next, remove shower arm. Insert a screwdriver and rotate counterclockwise to remove. Open up the new shower arm and wrap ends with Teflon tape. Make sure to tape it clockwise. Next, check and clean shower arm hole. Insert new shower arm and rotate clockwise. 5 to 6 turns for a secure tight fit. Start putting the new shower head together. Make sure to use all the washers that come in the packaging. Let's try it out. "71-inch long shower hose." Matte black finish. Modes include Power Spray, Rainfall and Spray, Rainfall, Rainfall and Trickle, Power Massage, Water Save Trickle. Water Save Trickle allows you to pause the water without having to turn it off or adjust temperature. If you need to conserve water or the pressure is too strong, install the water filter in the shower head. This will slow down the water pressure. Click on the Amazon link in the description to purchase. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.